Today we're going to be talking about our RPC 1200 MK3 HGG high profile cutting machine. This machine is designed to process structural steel that come in at lengths up to 40 feet long and 24 inches wide. And this machine cuts, bevels, miter cuts, and weld crafts structural steel, eliminating a lot of the manual efforts oftentimes seen in other shops. So a lot of steel manufacturers that process structural steel, they can't do it automatically like we are, because this is an automated machine. The automation takes a lot of the manual effort out of it. For example, if you want to miter cut structural steel on a saw, there's a lot of tape measuring, a lot of setting the angle on the saw, where this machine automatically does it itself. It's super high efficient. Our engineers do all the programming. It's fed into the brains of the machine, I guess we could call it, and that machine processes the parts. So if they're looking at us for data centers, I would say that if you want a high value, precise part, especially made out of structural steel, we are the company and this is the machine to do that.